Using honey as cough suppressant. How to make honey lemon syrup for treating cough. Honey is a good demulcent and can help in the treatment of coughs by covering the linings of the throat, which helps to reduce a cough. Moreover, common cough suppressants are known to contain unhealthy or addictive ingredients like codeine, but honey is all around healthy as it doesn't contain any unhealthy component. For use as a cough suppressant, you can take 2 tablespoons of honey each day. Honey lemon cough remedy recipe. You can make your own honey lemon cough syrup for treating the cough. This syrup can be made by boiling 1 lemon fruit and separately heating raw honey in low heat. Slice the lemon when it is soft and cool and add it to the heating honey. Slowly boil the mixture for about an hour and then filter. Pour the filtered honey into a bottle and store in a cool place. You can take 2 tablespoons every 4 hours for effective treatment of cough and cold.